Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating your boarding pass in the Airline app or email. That's the action. Once found, tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. Do it now. If the button is missing, open the PDF attachment and look for the wallet icon. Make sure Wallet is enabled in settings so the pass saves. You're saving the pass to your device rather than printing. This speeds check-in and keeps updates automatic. Once the pass is in Wallet, open the Wallet app to verify flight number, date, and time. You want accuracy. If the airline supports updates, allow notifications so gate and boarding changes push to your pass. Make sure location or time-based automatic presentation is enabled so the pass appears on your lock screen at the airport. This saves fumbling. You can also move the pass to the front for quick access when boarding starts. Do that now. At the airport, present the wallet pass from your lock screen or open Wallet and tap the boarding pass. That's how you get scanned quickly. If the barcode or QR code won't scan, increase screen brightness and remove case glare. You can also use pinch out to enlarge the code. If the pass disappears, return to the Airline app or email and re-add the pass, or restart your phone to force Wallet to refresh. This usually fixes sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.